Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. Today, we are going to walk you through how to log into WorkBright, your go-to platform for all things work related. So let's get started. First thing first, make sure you have your login credentials handy. You will need your username and password provided by your employer. So in order to go to the website, first thing first, you have to open your preferred browser. I'm using Google Chrome right here. Let's tap into that. And let's type in the WorkBright login, and let's tap the WorkBright login. That's at the very top. So once you're on the WorkBright website, you should see the login page. Go ahead and enter your username in the designated field. Now let's move on to the password. Make sure that you are tapping the password carefully, and also remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure to enter it exactly as provided. Once you have entered your credentials, to log in, you can simply tap in that sign in button right here. It's in the blue color. Or if you already have an account and you've forgotten your password, you can tap in this option right here, that's it, forgot your password. So since we're going to log in, we are simply going to tap in the login button, and just like that, you are in. You're directed to the WorkBright dashboard where you can access important documents, schedules, and more. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.